What's up, my beautiful lady press gang? So today we're going to be drawing some lips, and this is the inspiration photo that we'll be using. So first things first is I like to start out with the center of my artwork. And on this photo, I am going to start by drawing the inside of the mouth. So we're going to do like the little oval or circle, whatever you want to call it, in the center of the nail. And then we will cure that for 10 seconds, as long as it's how you want it. Okay, so here I was just trying to figure out where I wanted to start drawing for the top lip, and I decided to start with the V shape of the lip, and I think it's called a philtrum, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, we just drew a little V right here. Make sure that it's centered. So look at your imaginary line going down the nail, and then we're going to take the side part of the lips and connect it to that little V letter that's right there for the top part of the lip. I'm getting tongue-tied over here. Also, guys, make sure that you have a cleanup brush, so if you make a mistake, you can just erase it before you cure. It's always good to make sure that you have a cleanup brush, because while drawing and doing hand artwork, you're gonna mess up a few times. I think I only messed up twice, but yeah, it's always good to have a cleanup brush. So here I'm starting by doing the bottom lip, and I left a little opening because you see there's a lollipop right there. And so that's where I was going to put the lollipop. And since I drew the inside of the circle, there's already a line there. So what I did was I made sure that there was enough room for the teeth to go inside of the mouth. So I didn't bring my lollipop circle, the top of the circle, all the way to the top. And also another key that I use, I look for shapes in the artwork. So you see the lollipop is a circle. So I start out by drawing a circle, or letters, or whatever, whatever shapes and letters you see. That's how I go off of drawing. And then I start doing the details. All right, so now that we've got the lips and part of the lollipop, this is where I'm going to start doing the details and the coloring in. So I'm gonna start by doing the teeth with the white, and of course the teeth is square. So I'm just gonna draw a little square, and then I'm gonna fill it in, and then I'll draw another square next to that and fill it in, and then we'll go in with the actual line work to bring out the details of the teeth. Also, guys, every time I get done with part of my artwork, I do cure for 10 seconds each time. That way it's holding the gel into place. But here we're gonna go in and we're gonna start filling the inside of the mouth in. So where you see all that black space in the picture, that's what we're doing. And then we'll go in and line the teeth. Another thing I wanted to say is I normally start out with my base color, and then I will matte top coat it, and then I will go in with my detail work. I don't normally start out with just a plain nail, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. Also, I wanted to say, do not get discouraged. Like, keep trying. Sometimes whenever you're doing artwork on nails, it's not going to come out immediately as it should look. But once you keep going and then you start adding the detail work and the coloring and all that, it's going to come together. So just stay focused, keep trying, keep practicing, and you will get better at drawing on nails. I'm not an artist. I really don't know how to draw. I mean, I've learned how to draw back when I was in school, but I'm not all that good. So, I mean, we can do it. We just got to keep practicing. And I'm saying we because I'm talking to myself as well. So as you can see, I'm just going in with the red and I'm filling in the color of the lips because that's the color of the lips. But I am going to change the color of the lollipop. So just keep watching. All right, guys, so right here, I'm just taking some of the red and I'm adding the white to it to bring it to like a pinkish color. It's whatever color you want to use. This is what I decided to use for the purpose of the video. But if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, just keep watching. Another tip that I wanted to give you guys is you want to make sure that your hands are steady. So for me, I prop my pinky finger on my other finger and it allows my hands to become more steady as I'm trying to draw or fill in. And so you kind of want to just play around and see what works for you. You want to have that comfortable position so you're not uncomfortable and it's not working for you, if that makes sense. Y'all gotta bear with me today because I have a big migraine. I have a super big migraine, but we gonna get this video done and out there. And shout out to my follower for requesting this video. All right, guys, so this is where I kind of started messing up at. I did the first line perfect, but then when I went in to do the other line, it was like, what the hell is going on, baby girl? So I was just like, okay, you know what? Forget it. I'm going to just leave these lines here, and then I'm going to go back over it with the white to fill it in. And then, because I don't know, I had started shaking really bad and all of that good stuff. So, yeah. But I'm leaving my mistakes in here so you guys can see. And so what I ended up doing was I wiped it off and I went back in with the black, but then I did the lines too thick. And then I said, well, I'm gonna just go back over it with the white. And I can't remember if I did or not, but it still didn't end up looking like horrible. But again, this is just for the video. This isn't a customer's order. So, yeah. But after I got done with that, you just kind of go in with the details. Like, you have to be able to look at the picture and see everything. And then just go in and start filling in details. If you want to add extra or do extra, do it. It doesn't have to be exactly like the picture. And I think that's where we always mess up at, is because we want it to look exactly the same. But we have to learn how to put our own little twist on things and not just go off of somebody else's picture. Most of my customers, they be like, I want these. I want this exactly the way it is. Because it's acrylic nails, but they want them on press-on nails. And so that's what I do, and that's what I give it to them as. I wish that I could be able to shout the original person out. So I always do like what she wanted versus what she gets, or something like that on press-on nails. But yeah, I'm just talking now. I wanted to paint the background just so polish, let me use the correct terminology. I wanted to polish the background so you guys could see what it would look like. I only did one coat, again, video purposes. And then I went in and matte top coated it. So yeah, this is really it. I cleaned up the sides, and since I started painting over the lips with the polish, I started polishing the lips and everything. So I just kind of went in and cleaned up the details and made sure that the lips was able to be seen and all that good stuff. But if you guys made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll make sure I drop the new followers right here. I appreciate you, Lady Press Gang. Also, guys, make sure that you subscribe. I want to do a giveaway when we hit about 1,500 or 2K subscribes. So make sure that you subscribe and you're not just watching. Drop some comments so I can pick somebody from the comments section. Thank you, guys. Love you.